and we have a host, a guest host, I would say, my brother, James Apardo. Look him up. I'm gonna let you introduce yourself.
James Apardo. Don't follow me now, or else I'm gonna break your neck.
We're playing Zombies, Black Ops 3.
Don't steal each other's kills on this thing.
Man, that's already done for round one. We're gonna let you guys know what we think about the game.
Already, bro.
He already opened the door.
They probably already know what they're doing now.
I'm thinking about. Sorry about that, guys. I'm thinking about getting this when I have the money. So I'm top, by the way, guys, and my brother is the bottom. Go follow him, like his videos, comment, subscribe. You know usually.
Damn. I don't got shit right now.
I still don't have enough money. So this dude's in all black and stuff. What the?
What the?
I'm about to do that.
How you do that?
I'm gonna wait till I get this gun though, and then I'm gonna do that.
How do you do that?
He's going.
Oh, I got you.
Let's turn to the person and leech up there.
How you do it?
Turn into that thing and leech up there. Go over to it and leech up.
Where, right here? Leech up where?
To that border thing up there. Alright.
Well, I guess I'm gonna do that shit.
I take it that's a good thing.
These people probably already know everything about the map.
Get this gun, and then I'm about to go turn into this monster thing and zoom up. After it. I'm pretty sure I'm the boxer. I don't know yet, but
Nope, you're Inspector. I'm a boxer.
I'm waiting till this loads back up
There's one over here. Why are you waiting for that?
because all of them's sleeping.
There's one right here.
Oh, this one's loaded up too.
Where we go?
I'm going up here.
Can I follow you? Where you at? How'd you do that?
Oh, I fell off. You have to click R2 on it. And it'll be okay.
So when I load back in, I'll be up here. No, I'm still down here. What you mean?
Yeah, you don't load back up anymore. You just, as soon as you disappear, it's just like extra help, you know what I'm saying? But when you go up these stairs, you'll be in there. Or whatever stairs it was. This actually looks like a good gun.
Where's that at?
1,250.
Where at?
Guys, comment what's your favorite gun on here. And stuff like that, you know.
You don't scare me.
It's so laggy.
Right through you.
I'm kind of interested in what you guys think about this game. Comment down below what are the pros and cons, I guess you would say, about this.
Like, this nigga good for a level 3. I got level 3 at, Mark.
I'm at level 5.
What is this place? I put it in here, buddy.
I have no idea where you guys are at.
Dance all over your dumb ass.
I'm probably gonna die.
Oh shoot! No! I shouldn't have put the ritual in.
Where did you go?
I put the ritual in.
How did you get there? I'm seriously gonna die. How did you get there?
This ritual is killing everybody, cuz.
How did you get there though? That's what I'm saying.
I just came here. And I just
From
put
here?
Yeah, and then I put this ritual in here. But what the fuck?
Dude, there's something you're just not telling me.
I put that thing inside of here.
Yeah, I understand that. That I understood.
You know where I'm at? I just follow these peoples. I can try to go find you real quick. Where's the way that I come? Oh yeah, I can. You see me? You're over there. Come over here.
Remember what happened? Did anyone see what I did? I thought you were meant to be.
Follow him. He knows where he's going.
You got a good gun. You got a beam on yours.
Me?
Yeah.
I need a new one. What is this thing? I need a different gun.
This thing just exploded. Okay.
Don't you dare even look at me wrong.
I don't know how to get down.
I'd like to know what I'm paying for.
What, my shotgun? I'm over here. Come here, boy.
They obviously know where they're going.
I think I got a beam on this gun. Do I?
Gonna regret that.
I got a beam on you?
Hell yeah, free ammo.
These niggas know what they doing, I bet. I'm gonna buy this gun.
I'm not a superstitious
Since I have so
guy,
much money, I
but
don't care.
I'll be taking this for luck.
So guys, I'm really wanting this.
Buy it.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get
To resort to
it.
violence.
It seems like a good gun. I'm not for sure.
It is.
I just about as much as I can take.
That was easy.
What is this thingy? Like,
Oh no, I just like opened it, the chest for it.
you just open this door? There you go. I dropped my rift there. Oh, skirt! Come in here, Mark.
What is this?
I opened my rift
Open what rift?
to a magical world.
Where'd you open it at?
Mm.
Let's go upstairs and see what that's about.
There's another rift too.
There's some good guns in here.
There's a rift back through though.
Oh, dude, come up the stairs.
There's stuff upstairs.
Yeah,
This sick.
there's a hole upstairs. I'm about to buy this door. Oh, I can't buy that door.
Yeah,
There's probably a
mine.
piece up here.
For what?
There's no piece up here.
What is this?
Alright, let's go in one of these tunnels. Like this one.
Where'd you go?
Going in a tunnel. Now, where this tunnel takes me, I don't know. But let me see what I can do with this in here.
I guess it's a safe place or something? No, never mind. I'm going back.
Don't leave.
This is a safe place, I guess.
Yeah, wait for me.
Woo! I deported back to Mexico.
Now,
That's
that's not as
racist.
indestructible.
Hey, widow's wine.
What?
Widow's wine.
Oh shit.
$40,000.
I gotta go back. What's it for? What's it do?
I just need to.
What's it do?
I don't know. It
Where's
doesn't
it
say.
at? Over here?
This where you opened your widow thing?
Uh-huh. What is that?
I don't know, but there's probably a part that we don't know about over here.
What is that?
This is a crate for something.
What is this? Widow's wine? Okay.
I'm about to buy a gumball.
Look for some crates or something. another freaking end.
In plain sight. So I got that bubble gum thing again.
So you can just keep using that.
Come all the way upstairs with me, bro. Oh, use the electric and it opens this. I'm about to do that.
It's downstairs.
No, stay right there. I'm about to get this and come back up. Alright, stay there, stay there. I'm about to open that phone thing, teleport thing up.
You're like a little moving fast as fuck. Hey! He brought us back upstairs. Go back, go back, go back. You got it closed. Go back. Don't kill the zombies on
What
there.
happened up here? Oh, no. Not that. I'm ready for something to pop out.
Is everything
Let's go save our partner though, because one of them about to die.
About to die.
Oh snap, you just walked into this.
Yep, I went right back into the portal, cuz.
I'm not leaving you.
Let's go back. Come on, guys.
Jump in.
It makes it a little more sick.
It's actually a pretty good game, guys. I'm not gonna
Oh, shoot.
lie to you. Which way do we go? I'm going following you. Oh, there's an upstairs. Come on.
You unlocked it?
This is where they are. There's a portal thing right here.
Where?
You expect
Mystery
more?
box. That's a mystery box. It costs Lord knows how much.
Now this is what I call a haymaker.
You got me messed up. I put you to shame out here, bud.
Sorry.
I'm gonna die.
I gotta go get my jump. Oh, no. Are you dead, Mark?
Can you give me a description of that attacker?
Oh, that's what those things are. They're mystery boxes.
Well, I know where the other one is. Come on.
Me too now.
We have to go inside that portal again. You know that, right?
Yup. Where that portal at? Over here, right?
It is not this way, I repeat. But the door is down here, though. Remember?
Oh, shoot. What is that thing?
I think I got the decision that time.
Okay, so the mystery box is not down here. I repeat.
Magic some bullets out of thin air.
I'm trying to do this thing.
Okay, so you
I need to run. No, I'm down. I'm down. I repeat, Mark, come get me now. We will die.
I'm trying to find out where I am.
Blame you for being bad.
That big thing was chasing me. This guy needs to kill him.
That thing?
Yeah, dude.
totally out of play.
Oh, shoot. Somebody got him
This
moved.
thing is not dying.
Somebody's dead. Wait, no, somebody's still alive.
I killed it.
You did?
Yes.
Whoa, this man's about
Help
to-
me. Dude, what is you? Oh, snap. Yeah, I see that.
Stupid. I'm gonna-
So, guys, that was actually a pretty good game. It's actually 13 minutes long. I'm sorry about that. But, we're going to see you guys later. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment,
to his channel
like,
too.
Subscribe.
We'll see you later. Peace.